Aloha everybody, welcome back to another GoGo Rental Discovered. Today we are at the famous Spitting Cave. Well, Spitting Cave, one cave. Spitting Cave is this little thing down here. It's basically just a cave that goes back into the cliff. It's a little bit underwater, a little bit above water, and when the waves come in, it fills up with water and all that wave energy slams water back out the front, which looks a lot like the cave is spitting water back out to sea. This place is also pretty popular with cliff jumpers because the top ledge there is pretty much straight down, which gives you a little bit easier of a jump than if you were to like go from here and have to clear all that. Now what I'm going to say for most people is don't do it. Not only is the jump itself very dangerous, getting up out of the water is hazardous. So on a day like today, it's a little bit average kind of, just calm enough that there's not really a whole lot of spitting action coming out of the cave, but it's also just dangerous enough that if you were jumping out there today, you'd probably get hurt and you could very easily get yourself into trouble trying to come back up on the rocks. So I'm going to go ahead and put this activity firmly in the watch but don't engage category. When you're coming out here, you're gonna be coming down from a neighborhood. All of the neighborhoods that border coastal zones like this are gonna have little public right-of-way accesses. So when you look up Spitting Caves on Google Maps, you're gonna see a dead-end road. That dead-end road has one of those access points on it. It's got a very official looking blue sign. It's also got a yellow sign with a number on it. And basically you're just gonna go down that trail between the houses to get here. It's a little bit slippery, but I was able to do it carrying a backpack, a camera, and a box of malasadas. When you're coming down off of that trail and you get to the cliffs, there's gonna be a pre-staged yellow lifeguard floaty. Don't jump in the water and be the person who has to get pulled out. And that's about it. Spitting Caves, kind of neat. If you're in the area, check it out.